Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel again. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new here, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Comfort at nutricomply.com. I will be making banana oatmeal cookies today. So if you are a lover of cookies just like me, I think this recipe is for you. Let's get started. I will be using oats. I have my oats here. I'll be using oats. I will also add milk. So I'll be adding banana, and the bananas is going to serve as my sweeteners in the cookies. I also have raisins here that I'll be adding. I have shredded coconuts that I will also add. Here I have baking powder, cinnamon powder, and some salt. Here I also have vegetable oil that will be adding, just 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. These are the ingredients that we'll be using to make the cookies. The first thing I will be doing is to grind my oats. So in this case, I will be pouring my oats inside my blender. For this recipe, all I need is a very coarse flour. So I'll just be blending in briefly. Now that I have my coarse oat flour, so the next thing to do is to mix all my dry ingredients together. So I will add the shredded coconut to it. I will add my raisins. I will add the baking powder, cinnamon powder, and salt to it. So I'll combine them together. So I'm going to set the dry ingredients aside and go ahead to prepare my wet ingredients. So for the wet ingredients, I will be adding my egg into my blender. I will also add my banana to it. You can just use your fork or other potato masher to mash your banana and add your egg and mix together, but I prefer doing it this way. So I'm going to blend them together. To it, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of oil. So I will mix together. I will be combining both the dry and wet ingredients together. So now that the wet and dry ingredient is well combined, what I will be doing next is to put the oat batter inside the fridge and allow it to rest for like 30 to 45 minutes. I'm doing that so that the oats will be able to absorb all the liquid, and at the same time is going to help the texture of the cookies. So the oat batter have rested for 30 minutes inside the fridge. What I will be doing now is to mold my cookies. So I'm using 1/4 cup as my molder. So here is it. From this recipe, I have a total of 16 cookies. And I've preheated my oven to 350 150°F. So the next thing to do is to go ahead and bake my cookie for about 20 to 25 minutes. Here the cookies are ready, and you know, they look so yummy. They are chewy inside and crispy outside. It's very, very yummy and delicious. You know, if you are looking for healthy cookies, I will recommend this for you. You know, there is no added sugar. I use banana as the sweetener instead of adding sugar. So, and it's so delicious and yummy. Thanks for watching. God bless you. This is the end of today's video. Till I see you in my next video, when I will be sharing with you another delicious recipe. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, kindly do that. And if you really like the video, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. God bless you. Bye. Stay healthy and stay safe.